Hey guys, it's me, Deja Marie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I turn these jeans into a lace-up denim vest. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut off one of my pant legs, and this material is going to serve as the front portion of my vest. Here, I'm just going to cut along this seam and open it up so I have more material to work with. I already knew how I wanted my vest to look, but I'm going to use this t-shirt just as a guide for size. All I'm doing is using an ink pen to create my own pattern to follow. I want my vest to have a V cut instead of a straight cut, and this is the point that I want it to come to. Since this whole denim panel right here is just the front portion, I'm going to draw a line from the edge of it to my center point. Here I'm just reshaping my lines, making sure they all look great and giving myself seam allowance. To make sure I have even cuts on both sides, I'm going to fold my piece down the middle and cut out my pattern. I want decorative seams across the front of my vest, so here I'm just tracing out my line to make sure everything looks okay, then set it aside. My front panel pattern is finished, and I'm going to go ahead and start working on the back. The first thing I'm going to do is cut off a fresh new piece of denim and open it up the same way as I did the first. Here I am aligning my front panel to my back piece, minus the V part at the bottom, and tracing it out. Now that all my pattern pieces are drawn out, it is safe to cut all my pieces, and all my pieces look like this. These are all my main outside pieces. I realized since it was denim, I might want to create lining for the inside. I'm going to use two of these Dollar Tree t-shirts and cut out pieces the same size as my denim with the same seam allowances. And these are what all my lining pieces look like cut out. And now it's time to start sewing. Halfway through sewing, I had a midnight parfait break. Then I went ahead and sewn each of my linings to each of my denim panels. After sewing all the way around, be sure to cut notches along all of your curves. When you go to turn it right side out, all of your curves will look gorgeous like this. Now, after I fix this hole right here, I will be attaching my back straps to my front straps and each side seam to each side seam in the front. After sewing the side seams together, I'm going to hem off the bottom by folding up my denim over my lining and sewing all the way across. This is how the vest looks after elongating my straps and hemming my bottom edge. Now it's time to add the grommets for the lacing up portion. I decided to do 8 grommets on each side, and when I measured them, they turned out to be 1.5 inches away from each other. To know where to cut each hole, I went ahead and drew a dot with my marker. This was my first time ever using grommets, so I was looking at the instructions as I went along. So the first thing I did was cut a hole where my dot was and make sure I put the front piece on the front and the back piece on the back. While making sure your tool is facing the right way, you press to seal the grommet in place. And repeat these steps all the way down on both sides. And this is how the inside of my vest looks. I got this pack of shoelaces from the Dollar Tree, and I got this pack of shoelaces from Kroger, and I'm just going to lace up my corset with them to create different looks. I absolutely 100% undoubtedly love it. And this is how I decided to style it. I paired a white button up with the white laces and an orange button up with the orange lace. Also paired with my monogram jeans. The link to that video will be in the description box below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!